Hi, I'm Lynne with Softsquares. I received my package from Precuts Quilt Shop. Let's open it up and see what month it is and what's in there. Have to be careful when we open this because they are now using bags. So you get a project bag. It's like a tin in here. Oh my goodness. It's a lunchbox. We're gonna look inside that. We also get a pattern and then our flyer telling us what's in there. So let's change gears and look at it this way. This is the classic box for the month of May. Okay, so inside it, patriotic box and bonus project. So I'm gonna read what's, well, no I'm not, I'm gonna see what's in here. Oh my goodness. I'm not even sure where to start. Every month they do a drawing, and Sylvia, or Sandy Silva, is the winner of this month. So if you are her or know her, be sure to reach out to them and they will give you your next box for free. So this is a monthly subscription for quilters. The link for this will be below. So if you're interested in that, you can check them out. So it says everything, this quilt is a very easy and beginner friendly. Everything you need is here. 1 yard of background and border, 1 1/4 yard of border, 1/2 yard of binding, and 3.5 yards of backing. Holy smokes. This actually has a texture to it. It feels like it's woven. Yeah, and it looks like it's woven too. Wow. All right, so that is the background. You can see that's what they're using here. Land of the Brave quilt pattern, beginner and intermediate. This pattern is designed by Diana Bedell, who is the owner of the Precut Quilt Shop. How's that? Oh, we're a little high. That better? There's our panel. Here's our background fabric. Here is the pattern. There's a bonus project in here for little banners. And then it says Sweet Land of Liberty on the panel there. Fairly simple. We're just doing these stars around the panel and border. Still a lot of work, but you know what I mean. Okay, so we have this. Bring it closer. Stars. And then a bunch of these. These look like they're 1/4 yard. Not a fat quarter, but a true quarter. So we have this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of 1/4 yard right here. So that's 1.5 yards right there. Okay, we also have the 1 yard of backing and border. Is that right? Yes, backing and border. And then it says 3.5 yards of backing. And I don't see 3.5 yards for backing. We have mocked the pattern to give you a better idea of how your quilt will look like once it's finished. Bonus project materials are not included. So we have 6 quarter yard bundles of red, white, and blue fabrics. It's meant to be used for the stars. Okay, so they're talking about these stars. Sorry. The retail value of these, $13.50. Actually, I think it should be valued at more than that. The banner panel, which I haven't even opened yet, is this, and I actually just bought one of these, so now I have 2. So it opens up. So it has the little flags and the big flags. That's $12. It's 24 inches. We get the Sandy Gervais vintage metal lunchbox. This vintage metal lunchbox by Sandy Gervais is very cute and functional. It's great for storing sewing projects and notions and would make a perfect gift. Size is 7.5 by 6 inches by 2 3/4, and it's a $16 value. And this is the red, white, and bang. Now on this fabric, I don't know what fabric line it is. I don't think it's red, white, and bang because I'm making something with that already. This is by Moda. Maybe it will tell me somewhere else. Okay, fabric is meant to be used for background and outer border. So we have $15 for 1 yard on navy fabric, and that would be this. A half a yard for binding, $7.50, and that's what they're doing here with the stars. The panel that I've got back here on the wall of the United States is 36 by 45. It's valued at $18 for the panel here. And then the pattern, where did it go? This. Its value is $13. Land of the Brave, easy to follow pattern that you can match with any fabric, fat quarter friendly. So, patriotic box and bonus project. There's not 3.5 yards of backing in it, so maybe it's just letting you know to complete it, that's what you need. But I see everything else here, but that's still a lot. So they're giving us a value of everything at $105.65. They also include the cost of the shipping, which is $10.65, because you don't pay extra for shipping. You just pay for the box unless you're out of the country, and you have to contact them for that, how that works. So this is a little description. It talks about everything that's in there. Diane Mogstad is the collection and the designer for the fabrics. Let's see if it tells us more about this. Celebrate the 4th of July with Danny Mogstad. Red, white, and blue. Sorry, red, white, and true designer fabric collection. Okay, so that's what this is. This is red, white, and true. This beautiful collection features florals, plaids, ginghams, and iconic summer imagery like vintage trucks, bicycles, and mason jars, filled with the most gorgeous flower arrangements. Color like off-white, beach, barn red, stone, and navy fill the star-spangled celebration. And then it talks about the designer. So that answers that. You see this? I'm making a quilt designed by Sandy Gervais that came in a box. They had this truck on it. And the fabrics were very different, so I could tell this was not the line of fabric for this, but isn't this just adorable? And it's so cute how they packaged it. So, okay. Important, dear subscribers, in the past month we have received complaints about the subscription being charged after the cancellation request. We want to remind you that the cancellation policy requires 16 days prior to the subscription renewal. This policy has been the same for the last 5 years. We've made this request easy for everyone. Just go to Precut quiltbox.com/subscription-cancellation, or simple log into your account. Click on the Manage My Subscription box and you'll see all the options. You can cancel there, skip, or swap. You can also ask where's my box and update your payment. And so they're just letting you know they do have ways to deal with that. If you need to get a hold of them, definitely check them online. Okay, that is it. This is going to be a patriotic box, and we'll see what I get to. I'm not sure if I'm going to have a chance to work on this box this year. I've got a couple other patriotic projects that will be going on, but this was still really cute, and it's loaded with fabric, which is one of my favorite things about this box. They are heavy on fabric. So we've got 2 panels, this 1/2 yard, 6 1/4 yards, and this 1 yard. Fabric everywhere. The cute tin and the pattern. Let me know what you think about this, if it's something you're getting, what you think about the box itself, and again, if it's something you want to look into, the link for them will be below. So let me know what you think about this. And that's it for today. Thanks and have a great day.